devil whenever I wake up and get it. You know I walk straight through the fire. Mama told me if I wanna do better, then I gotta fill my heart up with desire. Look at my father whenever I'm getting that money, cause he's the one that I admire. Started the 303 when I was younger, we came from the mud and we built an empire.
Don't think I wasn't watching the Olympics, man. Rugby, I was watching, man, 7-on-7. Only thing is, you can't do no content, bro. You decide to hit record and play any kind of Olympic shit, they blocking the video, man. But shout out to y'all for winning the gold medal. That boy, Dupont, came through, man. Shit, y'all won silver in basketball. You did gold in rugby. I think I did something else in something. I can't remember. But like I've been saying, your friends, y'all been got athletes out there, man. I don't know what y'all feeding y'all boys out there, man. But y'all been good for a long time, man. So I want to shout out DuPont, man. I'm sorry I couldn't share the highlights with y'all, but we got to watch our celebration, man. Y'all in the club? Oh, that's how you say July in France? But did they say Juliet? Oui, oui. Oui, oui. Oh, he come out with the rugby ball. Let's go. Oh, this is dumb. No, what's up with the chicken? Yeah, shut up, go battle. Paris. Oh, look at my boy DuPont! I know. DuPont is crowd surfing? What the fuck? That's insane. I didn't know he could dance like that, man. That boy got some swag. Look at dude. He like, DuPont. He said, all right, take me on. What? They're dancing to Will Smith? Yo, that's fire! I didn't know you know how to dance out there too?
Incroyable. Je pense qu'on s'en rend pas compte encore.
Ça va voir?
Mais forcément, on est champion olympique et c'est juste magique. Une sélection aux Jeux Olympiques, c'est une fierté. De jouer au Stade de France rempli comme ça, c'est une fierté. En plus, ici à Paris, c'est encore une fierté. Et de gagner, c'est encore plus une fierté.
Yo, I need to learn French. Because I need to learn. Wait. Do you think this will work?
Franchement, je suis très content pour l'équipe.
Enfant du bonjour. They should. I'm gonna try to learn this. Like, if I could get the pronunciation, I think I'm joking. I'm serious. I'm being serious.
Le staff et que ça continue pour tout le long des Jeux.
C'est une bonne chose pour le rugby à 7 parce qu'il est sous-évalué par rapport au 15, donc ça amène une belle image et je pense que ça poussera les jeunes aussi de faire du 7 et de ne pas hésiter.
Oh, that's like the anthem? Oh, what's that hit?
19 ans titre, l'équipe de France de rugby à 7 vient de remporter le tournoi de Los Angeles, une étape.
Oh, you did win a premier title too, right?
De ces bleus qui ont pu...
Anyway, shout out to France, man. I see y'all doing that thing, man. DuPont, I see y'all, man. Let's go. Rugby is such a beautiful game, man. I need to watch it, for real, for real. All right, I'm going.
Oh, no. Got too many people watching me. Bye.